Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to navigate the world of Slack and learn how to share your screen during a call. This is a fantastic tool that can enhance your communication and collaboration efforts, especially in this remote working era. Let's get started. First things first, you need to be in a Slack call. If you aren't in one, go ahead and start a call with a team member. This is our launching pad, the foundation upon which we'll build our screen sharing prowess. It's important because without being in a call, there's no screen to share. Now that we're in a call, look at the bottom of your screen for the Share Screen button. It might seem like an obvious step, but it's crucial. This is your gateway to sharing your screen and the work you've been doing. Click on that button and a pop-up window will appear. Here's where you decide what you want to share. This step is vital because it gives you control over the content you're sharing. You can choose to share your entire screen, a specific application window, or a particular browser tab. Let me explain why this matters. By giving you these options, Slack ensures that you only share what you want to share, maintaining your privacy and focusing your audience's attention on what's relevant. Once you've selected what to share, click Share. This is the final step, the one that puts your screen out there for your team to see. The reason we do this is to initiate the sharing process. Now, your screen is on display for your team. You can pause or stop the screen share at any point by clicking Stop Sharing at the bottom of the screen. This helps us because it gives us control over when we want to end the sharing process, keeping our presentation concise and to the point. So there you have it, folks, a quick and easy way to share your screen during a Slack call. It's a powerful tool to enhance communication and collaboration, making remote work a breeze. Make sure to use it to its full potential. Until next time, happy Slacking.